we provide you a short presentation of the highest quality GEALAN German Greenline profile. The HS-type single sliding system has only slide position. A thick 18.5 cm frame is very strong and durable. Besides, it is possible to make sliding system of particularly large dimensions. In practice, the system can be over 2.5 meters high and reach even 6 meters in width. Properly installed and adjusted system delivers special strength and excellent U-value. As a standard, this type sliding system is with handle from inside without a lock. In addition, it is possible to choose handles and lock on both sides. It is possible to produce in very small and in huge dimensions as well. Depending on your preference, we can offer white color or a special color frame with 2 or 3 layers of glass. Please check our Facebook or web page to see more information and the gallery.